Hey everybody, it's me, Kathy, and today is prom. So I thought I'd start this video by showing you guys kind of the skincare stuff I do the night before and the day of. So to start, last night I used my Tarte friction stick. You just put it on, you massage it in, and then you leave it for a little bit. Then once I wash that off, I used my Glam Glow Thirsty Mud. I'm like almost out of it. And I sleep in this the night before because like you can. I used the lip scrub. I'm gonna do that again today. Yeah, in the past days I have a bit more of a tan. I've been using the Isle of Paradise Light self-tanning water. My roommate recommended this because I got a sunburn and it turned into a tan that was like a U shape on my back. And my dress is strapless, so I needed a tan. I know she likes it, so that's how I got that recommendation. This morning, what I am going to do is I'm going to use my e.l.f. Supertone. I'm going to use some jojoba oil or jojoba on my face. And then I use the Hydro Cool Firming Eye Gels from Skin Iceland just to help. And then I've got a little jade roller thing. Yesterday, me and my boyfriend saw Detective Pikachu. And then we went back to his house and watched some old Pokemon movies. We had a lot of fun, but I was also laughing because I'm like, this time tomorrow, we're going to be at prom. We were going to play old Pokemon games, but we ended up getting distracted by the Pokemon movies. Oh great, I've got two little pimples. You can't see that one, but I also have one on my forehead. But, oh well. That's what concealer's for. Put on a little bit of the jojoba oil. I don't know how to say it. Guys, I'm like one of those Instagram people that were really popular years ago. With like the unicorn essence or whatever it is. When like every little clip show thing started with that. Yeah, so I'm gonna get my hair done today, and the weird thing about it is I've never gotten my hair done for an event. Like, the closest I've gotten was I was in 50 Million Frenchmen by Cole Porter, and Olga made my hair like 1920s like finger things where it was like that, and that's the closest thing I've ever gotten. All the other years I just did my own hair. This is what they look like. Honestly, I don't know which way you're supposed to put them on, if it's more like this or like this. I choose to go like this just because the most exaggerated part of my under eye is like right here. So I don't know if I put it on the right way or the wrong way, but like, makeup's makeup. Like, use it the way that works the best for you. Like, everything you hear is like a suggestion. Oh, I can't really look down. It's not like, do it this way or you're wrong. Because I don't think that's how any art form works. And if it was, art was just right or wrong, like, I feel like it would lose what makes it art. Like, some of, like, the most famous, like, painters had their own style and stuff. So I feel like that translates in every outfit. Wow. I look crazy. I feel like this is like the reverse version of the Batman mask. Because like this part's usually not covered. Okay, I'll see you guys in like 10 minutes. Okay, you ready? There we go. Now we're gonna go in with my First Aid Beauty 5-in-1 eye cream that helps to smooth, brighten, even tone, nourish, and moisturize. So I'm not sure what facial rollers are really supposed to do, but it's quite nice, like the cooling sensation. There we go. So the skin is all prepped. I'm doing this really early. It's 9:22. I'm getting my hair styled at 11. I don't know what I'm gonna do for another like hour. Okay. Well, when I see you guys next, I'll have my hair done and it'll be time for makeup. Okay, so I'm back with my hair done. It's pretty cute. I kind of feel like a princess. He originally parted it down the middle, but I don't part my hair down the middle because one time I tried and my friends were like, you look like this character. Like the girl from The Ring. The twins from The Shining. Another one of my friends were like, no, you look like Charles Manson. And I was just like, thanks guys, I'm never gonna do this again. Yeah, so that's part of the background story of why you will never see me with my hair parted down the middle. Like, I don't know, I also feel like people with curly hair don't really part their hair down the middle. Like, I might be wrong, but like, none of my friends who had, no, scratch that. One of my friends who had curly hair parted it down the middle, but now she has bangs. She looks really cute. Yeah, but like, I don't know. Okay, I'm gonna stop talking. I'm just gonna do the face makeup and then I'll come back in and talk for the eye makeup. Let's see if I can figure out how to delete sound because I'm going to watch a YouTube or listen to a Glam Life Guru YouTube video while doing this because I've loved her for years. Right now I'm watching the one where Scott Barnes does her makeup. I'm at the end of it. So it's time for my first ever voiceover. So I'm starting with my MAC Paintpot in Painterly. I had to grab a second brush just to make sure I just had a smooth base to do my eye look on. And then I grabbed my Blood Sugar palette. So my first bone transition shade was Tongue Pop. And then I just go in and blend it a lot. Alright, then I went in with Fresh Meat. Right now I'm using one of the Jeffree Star Morphe brushes. I will have all the brushes that I used to the best of my ability in the description box. So you can see, again, I'm doing that technique I did in my summer sunsets, where I'm kind of packing the color and then blending it. Of course, you guys don't ever have to do this. I just really like my colors to fully be there and pop. So I spend a lot of time building it up. So here I am going in with Extraction in the outer part of my crease, just to start giving it a little more depth. And you guys know that I repeat steps and repeat shades until I get my desired look. Alright, so at this point I'm putting Tongue Pop on my lower lash line. I'm going to add the other two shades, but this is just so they go down smoothly and so that in the absolute going into like my innermost corner, there's something there, so like this, it doesn't just stop abruptly. Okay, there I am going in with Fresh Meat. This brush isn't meant for the lower lash line, but I like using it there just to have the color, but also to like not have a harsh like straight line with it to kind of diffuse it. Then I go in with Extraction in the outermost part. And there I am, once again, adding more Fresh Meat. Just fixing my under eyes to make sure no pigment got there. Okay, so I'm going in with my Dipbrow gel right there. Oh, nope, that was Gimme Brow. So I'm using glucose to highlight the brow bone, and then I go to the inner cavity, just in case, like, pigment got around my face, because I don't want, like, pink to be basically on my nose. So I'm adding extraction to the lid itself. Yeah, I'm using a flat shader brush to really just pat down that color. So coming up, somehow I lost the footage of me putting on the glittery shade on my lids. But what it is champagne sand from Glitter Injections. Alright, so for this part, I went in with glucose for the inner corner. By the end of the look, I took the highlighter I used and packed some of it there, but this was my starting inner corner highlight. Going through the brows once more. And voila! Camera is about to die, so I'm gonna turn this off, but what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna highlight here, highlight my face, highlight my shoulders, mascara, some false lashes, and finish the setting spray and put on the Jeffree Star Christmas cookie, and then that's basically it. So, and I'll make sure to include a bunch of photos from actual prom so you can see the finished look. Alright, bye guys!